Hey brewers, it's Friday. Be Red here. We're getting fucked up with what? Grain to glass beer? Oh yeah, it's Friday and we are going to town on all the grain to glass beers. It's amazing to me how many folks, even people I see at the shop every week, who had no idea we actually brew beer too in the professional sense. Oh yeah. I know like it's hard to tell from my videos, but like I do know how to brew. Some of these are my recipes, some of these are Paul's recipes, but I just thought, let's bring some awareness
to grain to glass brewing.
Everybody knows about the homebrew shop. Not everybody knows about the pro brew side of things. So what do we got? What do we have? And this is only what we have currently in the stores. We've already retired a few. There's also some new ones on the way. But let's start it out. Creamsicle Ale. This is our #1 seller. Tastes like a creamsicle popsicle. I've been drinking these all day while shooting videos. You got vanilla, lactose, orange. Like the name literally says it all. If you don't like creamsicles, don't be buying this shit and giving me a 1-star review, okay? It is a fucking creamsicle, all right? Okay, next, Skulls Light. You see me drinking this on the videos. Maybe you didn't know it was G to G, but it is. This is just your everyday macro lager deck beers, lawnmower beers, as we say in the brew game. Just nice, light, crisp, low calorie. Get it done. Put back 20 of them. You can. It's only 4%. Fucking A. Then we got Skulls Dark, which was our first Skulls. Skulls Lager, so we should put dark on there, probably. We fooled a few people who are like, this is dark. What the hell is going on here? Roasty, toffee, coffee, but smooth, smooth, smooth. Proper German lager. Schwarz beer, if you're any of those German folks out there. This is a great fall beer. We have it available all year. Then we got Stratocaster. That's our brand new one, baby. It's only been out for about a month. All Strata hops. Everybody who works here and whoever has worked here is a musician. So we thought, guitars, music, looks like a little bit of, I don't know, some tokage on there possibly, but melon, passion fruit, strawberry. In a hazy, no essences in this one, just all hops, baby. And it's only 5%, so it's party time. It's not like 4 and it's time for bed, like a lot of your IPAs. Then we got this, another one of our most popular ones. This is our In a Nutshell peanut butter porter. Big porter, but we've used a yeast with high attenuation, which brings down our final gravity, making it not that big, chewy. You know, a lot of people are like, oh, I don't like dark beer, it's so filling, it's this and that. You can actually like drink several of these because we've made it so there isn't that heavy afterness, right? We fermented it right down, so it's still smooth, still relatively light tasting. I mean, it's still a big dark beer, but probably the smoothest and most easy down the hatch peanut butter beer you've ever had. I know it's certainly the best, not the best, that's subjective. Of course I think it's the best. Most light drinking, big dark beer I've ever had. Which brings us to, last but not least, Walter Malone Sour. Gotta love our new guy, Kevin, who's also in the band, did these new labels for us. Thank you, Kevin, he's been working for us. You've seen him in the videos, you've seen him around the shop. Multi-talented individual. Anyway, Walter Malone Sour. This is a Philly sour. So the difference is it comes from the yeast. It's not a kettle sour, so we're not souring the wort overnight. It's not a lactose sour. This is a Philly sour. So basically, you make this, any of these beers, if I pitched Philly sour instead of say USO5, would be Philly sour. So it's different kind of sourness. It's just nice, light, and tart. Basically tastes like a sour watermelon Jolly Rancher. It's been absolutely killing it at all the events. We absolutely love it. I've already crushed, I don't even know how many kegs of it this summer. These are available at all the cool vendors here in Manitoba. You know, Quality Inn, Beer Boutique, Charleswood Beer Market, Taps, to name just a few. Then we got the liquor marts. And if it's not at your local shop, a lot of people don't know this, ask it. Just ask for it. Hey, where's that Stratocaster at? Or where's that Walter Malone? You don't have it. They'll bring it in for you. They just need someone to be like, oh, yeah, cool. One of these days, we're gonna have a tap room and then you come and get fucked up with me. I can't wait for that day. But until then, have one. Maybe think of me. Maybe think of pretty girls. You can still think of me. I don't care. You can think of me as a pretty girl. I don't care. Whatever floats your boat. Let's get fucked up. It's Friday. See you next week.